How to delete story on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete story on Instagram. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete story on Instagram, simply go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Then you can simply tap on your story option at the top left. You will find your story. If you have uploaded any story, you should be able to find it right there. Simply tap on it and it should open up. Once it has opened up, in order to delete it, simply all you have to do is tap on the three dots option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on three dots option, at the very top you can see the red text that says delete story. Simply tap on delete story and then it'll ask you for confirmation that you want to delete it. Simply tap on confirm deletion and you'll be able to delete it. So this is how you can easily delete story on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.